Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on two snakes I just got in. This first snake is orange drink double hit pied clown. I got this snake from Constricted Reptiles. It's a female. Let's see. Excited about this one. This is not. Wow. So this is the orange stream female. Double hit pied clown. So I'm going to raise her up and hopefully get into some pied clowns later on. This is going to be a female African rock python het patternless from Bob Clark. This will be the second time I ordered from Bob Clark. Last year before my accident I ordered a het orange ghost retic from him. So let's see. I think Bob Clark has the coolest boxes. And I know African rock pythons are known to be a little nippy, so we're gonna have to see how her temperament is. As I could tell by the package, she's moving around quite a bit. Took me a second to untie that knot. See this girl, let's see if she's a little bit nippy. Wow. The African rock pythons are really nice. This is my first time probably ever seeing a baby. Never, always seen adults at pet stores. Yeah, she's a little puffy already. So let's see how she acts. So this is the female African rock python from Bob Clark. Wow, she's really pretty. So far, She's so fine, but let's not speak too soon. It's a female African rock python from Bob Clark. Seems fine so far. But I know the African rocks are known to be a little bit nippy, so we'll see how she acts. Something this size wouldn't even hurt if it bit you, so don't be scared to handle your snakes. Especially if you're gonna own an African rock, reed tick or berm anacondas, you need to be able to handle them. This might be my favorite. You see the pattern difference between a berm and African rock. She's trying to be a little nippy. This is my African rock python, Python Sabe. As of their name, they do come from Africa. These guys could get up to 16 feet long in captivity, but in the wild, they're known to get up to 20 feet long. And in the wild, they even eat baby gazelles and antelopes. Anything they could get their hands on, they'll go for. In captivity, known just to eat rabbits and rats and rodents. The color on these guys is a lot different, and the pattern is a lot different than your normal like Burmese python. This guy is a bit nippy right now. They're known to be a little nippy when they're babies, but I'll tame this guy out. The African rock python is notorious for being one of the most unhandleable snakes. This is my orange dream ball python, double het for clown and piebald. She is a female that I'm trying to grow out. Not in a rush to breed her anytime soon, so I'm gonna try to get some size on her. The oranges on this girl are unbelievable.